Welcome to the Carver's Place. My name is Charles James, and we're doing a series of videos explaining how to carve a wooden mask. Unfortunately, I erased all of yesterday's video, so I'm going to talk you through what we did, the highlights of what we did yesterday, just to catch up. Basically, we started with a piece of wood like this. Then we took that piece of wood and carved out a space around a rectangular shape, which would then become the nose. And then we shaped and carved a figure like this. Now, yesterday, let me bring you in so you can see this face a little better. Now, we're back here. I wanted to show you how the knife can help define some areas. When we look at this cheek here, we started it out with bringing this knife along this curve. The same with starting up around this nose and curving it around here. And then we use the files to soften the edge a bit around here. File to soften the edge a bit. And now we're going to work on defining this cheek here. So we're going to get a nice lump of flesh here and bring it up around here, and it's going to look like he's got accentuate these bags on his eyes here. Okay? All right. Okay, I've gotten the face structure about where I wanted it. What I did is I changed to my power gouge and shaved off some more here and here to raise this cheekbone area. Okay, so now we've got the mask going in. High cheekbones, big jowls defined, mouth out, and curved chin. Now what we're going to do is put the finishing touches on the eyes. We're going to work with the rasp. Oh, I use this rasp here to start the gouge marks from take out the gouge marks in the different areas in the below the eyeball bone here. Okay, and I think we've worked the nose. That nose is prominent nose there. All right, so now let's work on the eyes and make sure that we've gotten them to where we want them. All right. I wanted to show you how we're working this eyelid here. I can get the right angle. It's this one right here. See the way it's. Let's see if we can get it closer. There we go. See the way we've got it going in and down and around. Okay, so it works like this eyelid is sweeping up around the eyeball, and we're just leaving a little lip on the outside portion here, and using our tool to sweep down and in. Using our tool to sweep down and in from this little lip. And we get a little round file like this and finish it off. So we have a little lip that looks like the we're going to put eyebrows in it. Not eyebrows, but eyelashes in it right here. And it goes straight down. Okay? Okay. We're about there. You can see how we've defined this eye even more. Got see a nice lip right here, and it goes in and down. And we started carving with this knife the inside here of the eyeball. Now remember, this is all going to disappear when we start carving the inside of the eye. We're going to carve this through the whole part. All right. So I think we're about done here. Now it's important once you get to this stage is to take some breaks and stand back from your piece and sit it somewhere in the house where you can keep looking at it to find out if that's the expression you're working for, if that's the kind of symmetry you want. Now, as you keep looking at it, you may want to redefine some places in here that may not look right. And then again, maybe you want that kind of symmetry. So right now what we're going to do is take some heavy sandpaper, 100 grit, and go over it one time. And then what we're going to do is show you a trick about hollowing this out. Okay? All right, guys. Okay. Now that we've gone over it with our 100 grit sandpaper, and by now all of our cut marks with the gouge and the knives should be removed. All we have are fine scratches made by the 100 grit sandpaper. Okay? Now what we're going to do, remember when we used this rasp on the bottom portion before we got to the eyes, that helped remove a lot of the gouge and knife marks. Okay? I like that profile there. How's that? Yeah. We'll turn it around slowly. I like that. I may have to do something with this eye here. I'm not real pleased with that eye, but I'm going to have to look at it a little bit before we do something with it there. So we've got the basic structure of the Sin Eater. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this out here. Okay? Okay, what I've got here is a drill press with a Forstner drill bit. Let me see if I can bring it in a little bit so you can see that. It's a real wide drill bit right here. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Then I've got some shop rags on top of this so I don't scratch up our piece too much. What I'm going to do is drill this out as far down as I can without going through the bottom. So I put a shallow top up there. Okay?